Alright guys, today we are doing another review on a CarPlay product. I got this one in. I thought it was a little interesting compared to the last one I did. The last one I did was a CarPlay Go. It was 9.2, more of a widescreen approach. This one is, it's upside down, but linkndrivedash, and it is a 9-inch, it's a square unit. Let's get into this. Let's see what's in the box right here. Then we'll get right into the install. But I want to see what I like this one versus the other one. I know already this one has a dash camera, front and rear. So there's a plus already. But let's see how it competes with the other one. Alright guys, inside the box we have a mount. So this would be a dashboard mount. And then we also have two suction mounts for the window. This one's more of a straight arm, you can bend it. And then this one is a non-bendable, but you can bend these accesses, stuff like that, extend it out. So what I'm going to use, so I can extend it like that, I am going to use this mount right here. You will see in a minute once we get into the truck, but I have it on a ball converter because I have a bullet system. I'll link all the stuff below, and that's the system I'm going to use to mount this. It also comes with a power cord, some suction mounts with a 3M adhesive, a power supply multi jack. This is pretty cool. You can run it or clip it somewhere for extra power. And it also comes with all your power connectors from a USB. So it comes with a lot of stuff. This right here is the screen. Like I said, it is 9-inch, and there you go. The front camera is hooked up right now. It does have a rear camera also. That's already installed in the vehicle. I did get sent this product, but I like to try out the products before I do a review so it can be a straight up and honest review for you guys. It's got all your normal CarPlay features. And now on the back, it is a 2.4 millimeter focal length 2.0, so very good, nice high quality camera. On the side we have a power input, auxiliary input, the memory card to store the dash cam footage, and then a 3.5 accessory aux cable. So there you go. That's just the front dash cam right now. It's already recording. Comes with date and time, or we can select it to have it only on the half. I'll show you in a minute. Over here, when you have the rear view connected, you can either have it full for the front dash cam, or you can have a split screen so you can be watching your front camera and your rear camera at the same time, which I think is really cool. Like I said, this is a big screen. Let's get into the truck and get into the install, and after we will review it, compare it to the one we did before, which is build quality. They're good build quality. This one runs 200. This one is, I believe, 150. I'll put it on the screen right now, and if you use the link below, you will get % off. All that information will be on the screen. So let's compare it to a $150 one compared to the $200 one. As you can see, the width, it's got about 2 inches taller on it on the screen, 2 or 3 inches. So I guess just depends on what kind of style fits your vehicle the best. Let's get into the truck and get this installed. Alright guys, as you can see here, this is the bullet point mounting solution that I decided to go with for this. I have a bracket in the middle, which I'm going to mount it to. I was using this as an iPad holder, but once I found these CarPlays and they wanted me to test them out, I'm going to go that route. This will eliminate my dash cam up here, so that's a good thing. I'm going to put this adapter on. I'll link it below, this adapter, so if you have a bullet point, you can do the same I did with the adapter. I'm going to get this installed, then we'll clip it on together. Alright, got that on there. So now I'm going to mount the setup itself. And on the back, as you can see, we got to push up. So once I align it, right like that. Alright guys, real quick, if you're liking this type stuff, please hit the like button, consider subscribing. We come back every week with car content, and we love making these reviews so you guys know what products to get and what not to get. Like I said, I was sent this product, but this is my honest review of it. Let's get back into the video. Alright, this is here's the screen right here. Now on the camera, it's really nice. You can rotate which way, up, down. I will go to the full screen mode on the camera so you can see. Oh, full screen mode right here. I can mount this up a little bit. I can adjust it with a bullet point. So you just want to get your best point of view on the camera as it is there. Now I'm going to hook up the rear camera. So the first one down here, I don't know if you see it well, is the power. Second one, aux in, that's for the rear camera. So this is what we got right here. It is a split screen. I have the camera mounted inside my truck right in the center, right there. Now we can go hit the back button. Now we're connected to all of our CarPlay accessories. I paired it up already just to save some time. I will go to a picture of me actually driving it. I will check out the footage. We'll get into looking at that right now. So this is me on the road driving, and I mean, it's pretty good camera footage if you ask me. Very good for a dash cam. I really like this product. It's a bigger screen, as you can see from my normal one. There's different ways to pair it up. So you can do the Bluetooth like I'm doing, because I have Bluetooth already in my vehicle. Or, so let's go system. Here's all the things. You have theme, streaming, split screen, or you can do a full screen. How you want the phone to link up. If you want the screen to sleep after a certain amount of time, that's your option here. Storage status. I use 10 gig, 58 already, because I have been trying this product out. Language, timer setting, and driver habit. So you can decide if you want a left-hand drive or right-hand drive vehicle, which is really cool. Brightness, screen adjustment, we can turn it up. Night, auto, format SD card, app download. It has an app that you can access all the files from your camera, from your dash cam, which is very nice. Video, rear view camera, reverse, sound recording on, coding, and video duration. So you can select all the different methods. Sound settings, volume control, key sound, and switching sound. On here we have dash cam, files, CarPlay, Android Auto, So if I go with files, or photo, front ordinary, now I can scroll and I can check out the camera footage. So let's just go to this one of me driving today. So anytime, or if I can zoom, you can probably zoom on a computer, which would give you a clear license plate because I can read it right now. But that's how good it looks when you're driving. A little shaky, but that'll happen. That's the roads too. But I'm very happy with this. Let's get in and do a final review on this product. We're going to check out the rear view camera too. So let's look at this one. Very good quality cameras. I'm definitely impressed. I kind of like how it looks in the truck. Definitely a lot bigger than my 7-inch screen that I had in here to start with. I'm still using that for the media and also reverse camera. But you can hook reverse camera up to this also. You just got to run a wire. So let me know what you guys think. Let's do a summary on this. Alright guys, what'd you think of it? Overall, I like it. The videos, everything come out crystal clear on the cameras, which is a huge plus. It's one of the pluses compared to the other one. What I would like to see, maybe, a combination of them both, because I like the thinner screen. It doesn't block my field of view on my truck. This might be more suitable for like a car dashboard. I have just too many things up front to really get the best view, but it would protect me from an accident and that type of stuff. Overall, I would recommend it. I'll drop the discount code below, link down there, and you get a discount. We'll put it up right now. And let me know what you're thinking of these review videos. I like doing it. We come back every Thursday with a new review of products. I'd like this to be a continuing series, but I don't want to annoy you guys with it. So let me know your comments, and also check out another install video on the left side of the screen and on the right. If you're into car shows, we cover a lot of them. That's the main purpose of the channel. So we'll see you next time. Keep exploring.